actually not sure what this is, but all I know is that it's some sort of fish, and then there's this, which I would assume is like squid or octopus, maybe. Either way, it's getting eaten. Hopefully, I feel alright in the morning. Let's see. That's another salt. Oh, it's hot though. It's hot. It's hot. It was a nice flavour then. It's alright. It is nice, but it is quite hot. Is it bad if I want to dip it again? I want to dip it again.
Yeah. Let's go for it.
I do like hot, but this is quite
hot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Go for it. Try another one. It's another stick here.
What's this one?
I don't know.
To be fair, we should have asked what it was before we got it, but
There were the names. There were the names,
Yeah, I
but
know.
we don't know.
we didn't look at it. But all I know is that it's all fish, and this sauce is hot.
Yeah.
But
Show me
do you
how
know-
you dip.
You just dropped all the sauce. You just dropped all the sauce. But it's nice. It's nice though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit too chewy for my liking. It's too like, I don't know.
Even with the sauce.
Again, the sauce is really nice, but it's a bit hot. It's a bit hot. Look how much you just spilled. Show that how much you just spilled.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. Who's gonna clean that? We have to clean that somehow. It's quite hot. That sauce. Let me get it. I know. Drown it out.
Chunk.
A good old chang.
Our favorite beer this time.
Look, it's been looking like that, hasn't it? It's been looking at our favourite beer. Okay. That's a waste of sauce though.